Okay, this is the 1-3C, Part C notes for cubic and cubed root functions. It's a fairly short one. Again, the characteristics, domain and range, x-intercept and y-intercept, maximum number of roots or zeros where it crosses the x-axis, and behavior and continuous or discontinuous. So the cubic function, parent function, is f of x equals x to the third power, or x to the third. Domain and range are all real numbers. You have the inflection point, or where it crosses the x-axis and the y-axis at x is 0, y is 0, the origin. Maximum number of zeros can be up to 3. This is in very specific cases, but generally it's 1. In behavior is as x goes to negative infinity, y goes to positive infinity, or excuse me, y goes to negative infinity. As x goes to positive infinity, y goes to positive infinity. And it is continuous. So here's an example of a problem. The graph is a polynomial function, specifically an x cubed. There's no absolute minimum or maximum. Find the domain or range. And the domain is all real numbers, and the range is all real numbers. So the cube root is basically the cubic root turned on its side, and it is the cubed root of x, or x to the 1/3. It has the same domain and range as its partner, the cubed root, or cubic. Also has the same inflection point of the origin at x is 0, y is 0, and that's your x-intercept and y-intercepts. Maximum number of places it will pass through the x-axis is 1. No matter how much you move it up or down, it will only pass through that x-axis at most one time. In behavior, as x goes to negative infinity, y goes to negative infinity. As x goes to positive infinity, f of x goes to positive infinity. And it is continuous. And that's the end of this notes.